Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please turn on post notification bell on to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you a solidly built and well maintained 4-bed and 3-bath house for sale in Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester. This house is currently priced at Jamaican $26 million or US 166,000. This is a great investment property. The land area is approximately 29,403 square feet. Other features of this house includes garden area, water tank, ceiling fan, fully walled, ceramic tiling throughout, mountain view, private setting, quiet area, paved road, recreational areas nearby, and much more. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.